In this video, I'll show you how to add an email to your Amazon account. Start by signing in to your Amazon account using your current login credentials. Once you're signed in, move to the top right corner of the page and click Account and Lists. From the menu, select Account to open your account settings. Once you're inside your account settings, look for the Login and Security section and click it. Amazon may ask you to verify your identity before allowing you to make security-related changes. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your email address or mobile phone. After that, locate the email section on the Login and Security page. Click the Edit button next to your current email information. If you're adding a new email address or updating your existing one, enter the email address you want to use with your Amazon account. Now, click Continue or Save Changes, depending on the version of the Amazon settings page you're using. Amazon will typically send a verification message to the new email address. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Amazon. Next, open the message and follow the verification instructions. This usually involves entering a verification code on Amazon or clicking a confirmation link provided in the email. Once the verification is complete, Amazon will update your account with the new email address. After that, return to the Login and Security page and confirm that the new email address appears in your account information. This ensures the change was saved successfully. If you use two-step verification, Amazon may ask you to verify your identity again after updating your email address. Follow any additional security prompts to complete the process. It's also a good idea to make sure you still have access to the new email account because Amazon uses it for order updates, security notifications, password resets, and account recovery. Finally, sign out and sign back in using your updated email address if Amazon has changed your primary login email. This helps confirm that everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an email to your Amazon account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.